Hello everyone. In today's session, we are going to explore request parameters in servlets and understand how data is sent from the client to the server. We will take simple form where the user enters name and age, send the data to the servlet and display it back on the web page. Let's see what are request parameters. Whenever user fills a form and clicks submit, the browser sends the input data to the server. This data is sent as key value pairs and these pairs are called request parameters. Suppose if you see the login form, there you have to enter username, let's say Suraj, and password 12345. These key and value pairs are called request parameters. These parameters exist only for the single request. At the server side, we can read these parameters in servlet using request.getParameter method. Here we have to pass the parameter name. Let us write simple program. Open the Eclipse. Create new dynamic web project. Project name request parameters. Open this project folder src. In this web app, let us create index.html to write the form. Let us write the form with name and age and send the data to the user servlet. Here the important part is method equal to post. This tells the browser to send the form data using post HTTP method, and action equal to user. The action attributes specify where the form data should be sent. Here /user means the form data will be sent to the servlet mapped with the user URL pattern. This is the name field. Here name equal to uname. This defines the parameter name. Similarly, create another input field for age. Input type equal to text and name equal to uage. These defines the parameter names and must match the servlet code. And let us create the submit button. When this HTML form sends the data to the action equal to user, the browser sends the request to the user URL and Tomcat forwards that request to the servlet mapped with the URL pattern user. Now let us create the servlet. Right click on this Java, new, other, go to web. Inside that you can see servlet here. Click next. Class name, let's say user servlet. Click next. Here URL mapping, it took from the servlet name, but we want URL pattern to be user. So edit this user. Click OK. Next, here we want to send the data using post method. So uncheck this to get. Click finish. We got this auto generated code. Remove unnecessary comments. This user servlet receives the form data because it is mapped using web servlet with URL pattern user. That form is sending username and password. Let us read that parameters here. Request.getParameter method receives the value of the form field whose name matches with the given parameter name. Here we are giving uname. It will retrieve the username. Similarly, retrieve the age parameter. Here we stored username in string name, user age in variable age. Even if you enter number in user age, if you retrieve the data using getParameter method, that will return only string. That's why we are using string here. Let us set the content type HTML. Let us create the printWriter object response.getWriter. Import this printWriter. Let us print the output here. Out.println user details. Print name and age here. Go to project folder, request params, run as, run on server, choose existing server, finish. Tomcat started. Browser opens the HTML form, enter name, let's say Akshara, age 5 years, submit. user details, name, Apsara and age 5. When we submit the data using this form sends the data to the user URL. When Tomcat server receives request from this URL pattern, it will execute this user servlet because this user servlet is mapped with this URL pattern. That's why this servlet collecting the request parameters and displaying here. We got this output.